This bob wig is everything. Like, I'm in love with it. Like, it's giving me life. Okay, it's so bouncy. Look how it's moving. Like, hello y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Sandy. So today I'm styling this gorgeous 8-inch bob from AliExpress. I love this hair so much. I cannot stress on that enough. Like, the hair is very soft, the hair is very bouncy. The frontal came pre-plugged, which is a plus. And like, this wig is do nothing wig. I didn't do much with this wig. I didn't even bleach the knots. Like, I love this wig so much. I have in 4 bundles of 8 inches and then a 10-inch frontal. The frontal came pre-plugged. The hair is very soft. The hair is very bouncy. Like, you can see the movement, and oh, I am so much in love with this wig. Anyways, I'm gonna be mute for now and allow you enjoy the video.
There's something special about you, and I must really like you, 'cause not a lot of guys are worth my time. Oh, baby, it's getting kinda crazy, 'cause you are taking over my mind, and it feels like
So that's it, guys. If you made it to the end, thank you very much. I really appreciate you for doing that. Anyways, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel because you want to be lit with your girl all the time. Comment below, let me know what you think. Hit the notification bell so that I can notify whenever I post any video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Can't fuck with your man them. Talk too much, me no like them. See me with my people, you for stand firm. Know a couple people back against them. Can't